got shot. I always felt like I'd be shot.
Are you afraid to die?
Somebody try to do me some harm.
Or do you want to live forever?
Because a lot of people don't like me.
Tell me, what's wrong?
They wanna bury me, I'm worried. I'm losing my mind. Look down the barrel of my nine and my vision's blurry. Falling to pieces, am I guilty? I pray to the Lord, but he ignores me. Unfortunately, cause I'm guilty. Show me a miracle, I'm hopeless. I'm choking off marijuana smoke. With every token, it's like I'm losing focus. Falling asleep while I'm in service. When will I die? Forever paranoid and nervous because I'm high. Don't mention funerals, I'm stressing and going nutty. And reminisce about the niggas that murdered my buddy. I wonder when will I be happy? Ain't nothing funny. Flashbacks of busting caps, anything for money. Where am I going? I discovered. Can't have to save her. My next door neighbor's having combo with undercovers. Put a surprise in the mailbox. Hope she get it. Happy birthday, bitch. You know you should've did it. Everybody's dying in my next. Who can I trust? Will they be G's and then look at me before they bust? Or will they kill me while I'm sleeping? Shoot to the head while I'm in bed, leaking blood on my satin bed. Is there heaven for a baller? Getting suspicious of this bitch, the line's busy every time I call her. Nancy telling me to visit, who else is home? I checked the house before I bone, so we all alone. After another hit the highway, see you later. To all the players, watch the flyway, a nigga played her. Bitches telling all the homies that I can fuck her like no other. Now the mother bitches wanna bone me. I'm under pressure getting drunk, somebody help me. I drank a fifth of Hennessy, I don't think it's healthy. I see my enemies, they creeping, don't make me blast. I watch the 5-0s rolling, motherfuckers pass by me like they know me. Smiling as they laugh, I put up my middle finger, then I dash. Niggas don't like me cause I'm thugging, and every day I'm a hustler, looking to get paid.
If I know that in this hotel room they have food every day, and I'm knocking on the door every day to eat, and they open the door, let me see the party, let me see like they throwing salami all over. I mean, just like throwing food around, but they're telling me there's no food. You know what I'm saying? Every day, I'm standing outside trying to sing my way in. You know what I'm saying? We are hungry, please let us in. We are hungry, please let us in. After about a week, that song is gonna change. But we hungry. Some food. After 2-3 weeks, it's like, you know, get me on the door, breaking out the door. And after a year, you just like, you know what I'm saying? I'm picking the lock, coming through the door, blasting, you know what I'm saying? It's like you hungry. You reach your level, you know, when we asked 10 years ago, we was asking with the Panthers, we was asking with that, you know, with civil rights, we was asking, you know, now those people that were asking, they're all dead and in jail. So now what do you think we're gonna do? Ask?
They wanna bury me, I'm worried, no need to lie. I pray to God I don't scream when it's time to fry. Nowhere to rest, I'm losing homies. Ain't that a bitch? When I was rich, I had clout, now a nigga's lonely. I put the pistol to my head and say a prayer. I see visions of me dead, Lord, are you there? They tell me am I lost cause I'm lonely. I thought I had friends, but in the end a nigga dies lonely. Nowhere to run, I'm in terror, and no one cares. I close casket at my funeral when no one's there. Is there a future for a killer? I changed my ways. Still, that don't promise me the next day. So I stay thugging with a passion. I'm busting on these motherfuckers in my mask. They wonder if I'm hellbound. Well, hell can't be worse than this, cause I'm in hell now. Don't make me hurt you, I don't want to, but I will. These motherfuckers killed over phone bills. Never will I die, I'll be back. Reincarnated as a motherfucking Mac 11, cause in heaven there's no shortage on G's. I'm telling you now, you motherfuckers don't know, man. Don't know.
I ain't scared to die. I ain't scared to die. I only fear death.
The controversy over Death Row Records and its owner being sort of a gangster.
Everybody's asking about Death Row. Sugar ain't no gangster, man.
No?
Nah, Sugar Rider. I know what good morals are, but you're supposed to disregard good morals when you're living in a crazy, bad world. Here in hell, I think you live like an angel. You sit here surrounded by devils and trying to be an angel. That's like suicide.
All the things growing up, the daddy he had to see. Daddy don't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. We did not plan it to be this way, your mother and me. Things that got so bad between us, I don't see us ever being together ever again like we used to be when we was teenagers. Then of course everything always happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be. That's just something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. No more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up, this will all just be a dream. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen up that upper lip, little lady. I told you that he's here to hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel and we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise, gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back when daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the tree. This is somewhat more from me, cause daddy couldn't buy 'em. I'll never forget that Christmas I sat up the whole night crying. Daddy felt like a bum, see daddy had a job to keep the food on the table for your mom. At the time, every house we lived in either kept getting broken into a bribe, or shot up on a block, and your mom was saving money for you in a jar, trying to start a piggy bank for you to go to college. Almost had $1,000 till someone broke in and stole it, and I know it hurt so bad it broke your mama's heart. And it seemed like everything was just starting to fall apart. Mom and dad was arguing a lot, so mama moved back on the Chalmers in a one-bedroom apartment. Dad moved back on the other side of Emil and Nova. That's when daddy went to California with his CD and met Dr. Dre and flew you and mama out to see me. But daddy had to work, you and mama had to leave me. Then you started seeing daddy on the TV. Mama didn't like it, and you and lady were too young to understand that Papa wasn't Rolling Stone. Mama developed a habit, happened all too fast for either one of us to grab it. I'm just sorry you were there and had to witness it firsthand, cause all I ever wanted to do was just make you proud. Now I'm sitting in this empty house, just reminiscing, looking at your baby pictures. It just trips me out to see how much you're grown. It's almost like your sisters now. Guess you're pretty much out, and daddy's still here. Lately I'm talking to you too, and daddy's still here. I like the sound of that, don't we got a ring to it. Shh, mama's only gone for the moment. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen up that upper lip, little lady. I told you daddy's here to hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, we don't know why. We feel and we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'ma give you the world. I'ma buy a diamond ring for you, I'ma sing for you. I'd do anything for you to say you smile. And if that mockingbird don't sing and there ain't no shine, I'ma break that birdie's neck. I'll go back to the jeweler who sold it to you and make him eat every carrot. Don't fuck with dad.
Wanna give скандалов, но проиграли. И наперекор всем бедам я не дам. Тебя в обиду никогда, да. И на кой нам лето без тепла, бла-бла. Не просто трёпа, не бла-бла-бла. Сочинил как есть, без Б. Бэйби, я твой весь. Только так. Это лютая смесь. Это лютая смесь.
Порно берегами искали всюду маяки молитвами заветными кричали бедом вопреки. Нога несла меня непутевого от мира сего далече. Готовила немало приключений. Судьба бери да принимай. Бери да принимай. Бери да принимай. Да принимай.
All eyes on me, live life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live life of a boss player, all eyes on me. Live life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live life of a boss player, it's even getting hot. Hey, to my nigga Pac. Live my life as a thug nigga till the day I die. Live my life as a boss player, it's even getting hot. These niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down, now it's time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga, make these motherfuckers suffer. Up in the Benz, burning rubber. The money is mandatory. The hose is for the stress. It's drilling the lifestyle. Putting the bulletproof vest. Make sure your eyes is on the meal ticket. Get your money, motherfucker. Let's get rich and real. Kick it. All eyes on me. Live life as a thug nigga till the day I die. Live life as a boss player. All eyes on me. I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the bumper, I don't think they don't. Straight to the depths of hell is where those cops go. Well, all your shield down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sold for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get boss later. The future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things. I 500, they ain't smoking flashy rings. Bitches pursue me like a dream. Been known to disappear before your heart just like a dope fiend. It seems my main thing was to be major. Pay the game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade. Save money, bring bitches, bitches bring lies. One nigga's getting jealous and motherfuckers die. Depend on me like the first and 50. They might hold me for a second, but they both won't get me. We got 4 niggas and low riders and ski masks, screaming thug rock. Every time they pass, all eyes on me. Live life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live life of a boss player. All eyes on me. Live life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live life of a boss player.
I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta know. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Been spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. Keep spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. Keep spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the state, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my tin in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a loped out gangster, set tripping banker, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life, do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? Been spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Power and the money, money and the power. Minute after minute, hour after hour, everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of luck, fool. Been spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me?
С рук изобилия чувствую грому, повисли на рэпу, спустили курок, с чистыми мыслями дует на юг. Я хочу аромат ее губ, из недр вселенной света звезды. Локоны палят ее из тени, я завис на моменте у госу горы и поклялся всю жизнь за тобой уйти. Много пошаговых, нервы и ложь, но от этих поэтов ты вряд ли поймешь. Мэри окутала разум, теперь не уснешь. Герои из книг не видели даже краше тебя, меня будто бы мажет кайф из глубин этих глаз. Карьего плена, выбраться тяжко, но я был первым. Да, я был первый, кто мог бы понять, чьи речи чисты, чьи речи обнять. Могут угомонить все песни твои без печали. Я любил тебя изначально. Ты мой untouchable, без тебя тут как как я был. Солнце уходит в унисон, запах твоих губ. Прыги, отдача губ, без тебя тут как я был. Солнце уходит в унисон, запах твоих губ.
Я на ровном и меня манит. Эта девочка пой магнит. Я кило наполню, бокалы на старт, дабы разгорелась и да понеслась. Я кину контуры паразит, дабы завестись и да поразить. Ты во мне будила страсть и будила жизнь. Не дай мне пропасть, за руку держи. Я робот, буду потрошить дебрями злобными этажи. Накину оковы на боль души. Соберу соль глаз, караван дыши. Я пробитый патефон, милая, держись. Моя любовь к тебе на всю жизнь. Натравили горизонт, залипали на свет. Готов с тобой не услышать ответ. Ты моё регги, античу. Без тебя тут как я был. Солнце уходит в унисон, запах твоих губ.
Мои типы, боксеры, призеры. Пусть нас будут держать под надзором, но тебя будут искать по озерам. Гильзы на полу, кровь на обоях. Я снимаю суд, ты снимаешь побои. Не бывает разбоя без боя. Нахуй этих ковбоев. Похуй, кто у них босс и с кем они по долям. Тут надо решать вопросы, не вся эта болтовня. Те, кто со мною рос, те, кто со мной с нуля. Тут те, кто роняют, так же не встать из нашей дыря. Эй, красно-синие мигалки горят. Нас постелят ни свет, ни заря. На белом покрывале января. Все, что мерили рублями, все зря. Там останутся друзья и семья. На белом покрывале января. На белом покрывале января. Своих ребят я молодыми вспоминаю. Не прогоняй меня, мороз. Хочу побыть сегодня я на белом покрывале января, до января.
У нас иногда хитришь, иногда хаваешь. Не в курсе за твои дела, похуй на хаварил. Когда левый не достал доболку правую, тут пацаны воюют. В нашем краю твою крию исчезнет как вид. Будет искать следы копыт, следопыт. Будто закат от цвета алого в глазах рябит. Я как забит, Магомед Шарипов, ты забит. Дальше только кладбище, как и обещал. Так что в вопросах разберись, а не вещах. На брюках стрелки и на стрелку нам баллы не поставят. Оттого спел, как в детстве мелом некрасиво рисовал людей. Че рисовать легче, обводить сложнее. И было бы мрачнее, если дорисовать дом, собак, жену и детей. Мы виснем с пацанами везде, кроме виселицы. Спокойнее себя веди, чтобы не выселиться. Но виной всему случай, блядь, вуаля. Свежий дыхал белого покрывала января. Я ни на что не сетовал, начнем кассету. Нас потаскало так, что вид как у отметного. Увижу многое, о многом осведомлен, пока не сравняет с землей.
На белом покрывале января. Своих ребят я молодыми вспоминаю. Не прогоняй меня, мороз. Хочу побыть сегодня я на белом покрывале января, до января. На белом покрывале января. Своих ребят я молодыми
life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live the life of a boss player, cause all eyes on me. All eyes on me.
Я сам будто себя наказал этим непониманием, перестал себе тупо доверять, тебе застали, жаловался на людей. Караван гремел и негодяй потешал себя баснями о воде. Но то были миражи, ты покаяние мою, найди-ка меня скорей. Пустынями верными я дочерпал до песок, глотал следы. И не надо быть тут пророком, чтобы понимать суету беды. Сам приголок, эти были
All eyes on me. Life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live the life of a boss player. All eyes on me. The fans is watching, niggas plotting to kill me. I survive till I die. The moon is big to the possibility of giving me drugs. Lawyers make any grip. I told the judge I was raised from. And that's why I play shit. Was hyper as a kid, cold as a teenager. On the movie, calling big shots. On the scene, major packing hundreds in my drawers. Fuck the law, bitches, I fuck with a pass and I'm living rough and wrong. Catching cases at a fast rate, rolling with the fast lane. Took a moment, never stopped to pull the cash game. Live my life as a thug nigga till the day I die. Live my life as a boss player, it's even getting high. These niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down, now it's time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga, make you motherfuckers up. Up in the bins, burning rubber. The money is mandatory. The hose is for the stress. Subliminal lifestyle. Fuck up the bulletproof vest. Make sure your eyes is on the real ticket. Get your money, motherfucker. Let's get rich and real. Kick it. All eyes on me. Live the life as a thug nigga till the day I die. Live the life as a boss player. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. Life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live the life as a boss player. All eyes on me. скопились по-любому. Наверное, ты меня где чувствовал я взгляд твой дома. Наверное, ты меня не помнишь. Наверное, ты меня не помнишь. Без тебя уже все по-другому.
Мимо плывут облака.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I never lie. Still be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. He's got his head, I'm on my mind. We got that love, the crazy kind. I am his, and he is mine. In the end, it's him and I.
My 65 speeding up the PCH, a hell of a ride. They don't wanna see us make it, they just wanna divide. 2017, Bonnie and Clyde. Wouldn't see the point of living on if one of us died. Yeah, got that kind of style everybody try to rip off. YSL dress under when she take the mink off. Silk on her body, pull it down and watch it slip off. Ever catch me cheating, she would try to come up. Crazy, but I love her, I could never run from her. Hit it, no rubber, never would, no one touch her. Swear we drive each other mad, she be so stubborn. But what the fuck is love with no pain, no suffer? Intense, this shit it gets dense. She knows when I'm out, I feel like she could just sense. If I had $1 million, it was down to 10 cents. She'd be down for whatever, never gotta convince. You know?
Hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. Still be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. He's got his head, I'm on my mind. We got that love, the crazy kind. I am his, and he is mine. In the end, it's him and I. Him and I.
gets me, I'm a crazy fucking Gemini. Remember this for when I die. Everybody dressed in all black suits in a tie. My funeral be lit if I ever go down or get caught or they identify. My bitch was the most solid, nothing to solidify. She would never cheat, you never see her with a different guy. Ever tell you different, then it's a lie. See, that's my down bitch, see, that's my soldier. She keep that thing. If anyone goes there, calm and collected. She keeps her composure. She gon' ride for me until this thing over. We do drugs together, fuck up clubs together, and we both go crazy if we was to sever. You know, we keep rhyming, it's just me and my bitch. Fuck the world, we just gon' keep getting rich, you know.
Cross my heart, hope to die. To no lover, I'd never lie. Said be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. He's out his head, I'm on my mind. Got that love, the crazy kind. I am his, and he is mine. In the end, it's him and I. Him and I.
Mob and get money, get high with you. Yeah.
Cross my heart, hope to die. This is how I die. You can confide in me. There's no hiding, I swear.
Stay solid, never lie to you. Swear most likely I'ma die with you.
Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. Said be true, swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. He's out his head, I'm on my mind. We got that love, the crazy kind. I am his, and he is mine. In the end, it's him and I. Him and I. It's him and I.
When I die,
That's what I wasn't killing myself. Fuck, if I was dead, I wouldn't have to worry about nothing. I could just lay up, either be in heaven or
when I
hell.
die, fuck it, I wanna go to hell. Cause I'm a piece of shit, it ain't hard to fucking tell. It don't make sense going to heaven with the goodies dressed in white. I like black Timbs and black hoodies. Gotta probably have me on some real strict shit. No sleeping all day, no getting my dick licked. Hanging with the goodies, lounging in paradise. Fuck that shit. I wanna tote guns and shoot dice. All my life I've been considered as the worst. Lying to my mother, even stealing out her purse. Crime after crime, from drugs to extortion. I know my mother wish she got a fucking abortion. She don't even love me like she did when I was younger. Sucking on her chest just to stop my fucking hunger. I wonder if I died, would tears come to her eyes? Forgive me for my disrespect, forgive me for my lies.
I wasn't really looking at it as like, well, how am I feeling right now? I feel like killing myself. I'm right around about it. It wasn't like that. I was just thinking like, damn, I remember I used to be stressed out in the same fucking room.
My baby mother's 8 months, her little sister's 2. Who's to blame for both of them? I swear to God, I wanna just slip my wrist and end this bullshit. Throw the magnum till my head threatening bullshit and squeeze until the bed's completely red. I'm glad I'm dead, a worthless fucking Buddha head. The stress is building up, I can't believe suicide's on my fucking mind. I wanna leave, I swear to God, I feel like death is fucking calling me. But nah, you wouldn't understand. You see, it's kinda like the crack did the Pookie and New Jack. Except when I cross over, it ain't no coming back. Should I die on the train track like Rainbow and Beat Street? People at the funeral frontin' like they miss me. My baby mama kissed me, but she glad I'm gone. She know me and her sister had something going on. I reached my peak, I can't speak. Call my nigga cheek, tell him that my will is weak. I'm sick of niggas lying, I'm sick of bitches hawking. Matter of fact, sick of talking.
Like, yo, what up, man? Hey, yo, man, did
you hear that new tooth shit? Nigga was talking about I fucked your bitch and all that shit. Yeah, man, he was dissing the shit on big. I was like, oh, word? So like, look in the back seat. This is true talk. Can't make this shit up. This motherfucker looked in the back seat. He like, oh shit, big. Let me get an autograph. Yo, nigga. Yo.
Yeah.
Get on the west side, we're gonna do it to the east.
собой закрой. Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам бегал так упрямо. И если бы не твой милый голосок, я бы упал, сделал последний вздох. И звезды мирно падали, как будто до меня. Я каждый раз загадывал тебя не потерять, но больше не могу, я просто мучаю себя. Теперь ты больше не моя. В камине в 6 утра